If you're looking for a powerful ERP system for your business, Odoo and ERPnext are two names you've probably heard. But which one should you choose? I tested both, and here's a detailed comparison. Most people get this wrong. They think all ERP systems are just about accounting or inventory, but full ERP handles everything from CRM to HR, manufacturing, and sales. Odoo offers a modular approach with hundreds of apps that can cover almost any business need. You can start small and add modules as you grow. ERPnext is open source and highly customizable. It comes with most modules pre-installed, including accounting, inventory, project management, and HR. It's particularly strong for small and medium businesses that want full control without paying high subscription fees. The surprising truth is that Odoo's user interface is more polished and intuitive, making it easier for teams without much technical experience. ERPnext has a steeper learning curve, but if you want full control and customization, it's hard to beat. Pricing is another factor. Odoo is subscription-based and can get expensive as you add more users and modules. ERPnext is open source, so you can host it yourself for free or choose a paid cloud plan at a fraction of the cost of Odoo. In conclusion, choose Odoo if you want a professional, user-friendly interface with ready-to-go apps and are willing to pay for convenience. Choose ERPnext if you value flexibility, open source control, and lower costs. Both are powerful, but your choice depends on your team, budget, and technical comfort. Subscribe for more honest software comparisons to help you pick the right tools for your business.